Hey everybody, Greg here from Two Old Guys with Crossbows. Well, waiting patiently, deer season is approaching. It opens on September 15th here in Saskatchewan for archery. And yeah, I want to be out there opening weekend, and hopefully I get my deer opening weekend. I like to do this while the weather is nice, when it's warm. And came up with an idea for in the blind. I was using like a lawn chair before, one of those fold-out lawn chairs to sit up in the blind, and sometimes the deer would come in from behind or to the left, and it was quite an effort to be quiet and try to move and get that shot on that deer when they came in from a different angle. So I thought, what we need up here is some kind of a chair that swivels 360. And fortunately, Jason works at a clinic in Saskatoon, and they were upgrading, and a lot of the old office chairs were being thrown out, so he kept one. It's a very nice office chair. It's got all the adjustments. It's got the back adjustment, the seat adjustment, you can tip it forward, back. It's got armrests on it. Mind you, it weighs a bit, but I thought, well, yeah, we'll mount that to a piece of plywood and permanently mount it up in the blind. And that's what this video is about, how we did that, and it seems to work very well. So it will tell for sure during the opening deer season. I'm going to be out there opening weekend, and I'm hoping to get my deer early. Well, the weather's nice and warm. Don't like being out there when it's 30-40 below. Trucking through the bush, tracking your deer. Your fingers are cold, your hands are cold, you're cold. Skinning and gutting that deer, and then getting it loaded into the truck, dragging it out. It's so much nicer to be able to do it early. And anyways, let's get to putting that chair up and see how we did it. See, I got it mounted, and it seems like it's going to work very well. But I'll show you how I did that. Let us out.
So a finished project today, installing the chair and the stairs, looking at the blind from behind. The view from one bait area to the permanent stand. Feeding the deer. We're 13 days away from hunting season, opening of crossbow season for us.